Hey guys, let's make a Snackle Box. I'm Molly Cooper here with Honest Abe Living in the kitchen, and we have got a fun treat to make today. So we're all traveling. We are from here to there, ball fields or to the beach, wherever you may be headed. This is a really cool way to get lots of little things for your kiddos to snack on the way to wherever you're going, and they will surely love it all. So we've got a couple of things. We have picked up a tackle box at Home Goods, I believe. And then we have just got some different things. So this is kind of our kid version. We're going to actually do an adult version here in a little bit. But we've got some fruit, some cheese, some pepperoni, Uncrustable PB&Js, some gummies, some yogurt covered raisins, some nuts, and of course you can omit that if you have allergies or whatever, and then some cheese crackers. So stay tuned. Watch us as we put together this fun little snackle box for you and your family. Okay, so the first thing we're going to get is these Baby Bell cheese. They are great. I have just pre-opened most of them up, but all you do, and you can leave them in the packaging as well, but that is less mess that is going to be thrown down in your car. So open those up, pop it out of the wax, and discard that. So if you have smaller children, you could cut this in half and put it in there, or you can put it in whole. It just kind of depends. You could even cut it in fourths, so have little chunks of it, just however, whatever your family it needs and is used to. So typically I'll at least cut them in half so it's not such a big bite and they don't waste it if they don't love it or whatever. So we'll cut a few more and get this little area full. Okay. As a side note, guys, I promise I just washed my hands right before we started filming, so please do not fear. The next thing we can put in is some little PB&Js that we made. So just tuck those in this little area. We cut the crust off because I know some kiddos are not so fond of the crust, and try to just get as many in. So if you've got 2 children, then they can have 2 of the Uncrustables a piece. Take and have your yogurt covered raisins. There's really no rhyme or reason as to where we are putting it in here. We'll put that over there. We'll go in and put some pepperoni in. However much or little you feel like the kiddos or you may snack on the way to wherever you're going. So something similar to that would be probably enough for anybody. Grab some of the gummies. All kids love gummies. They're easy. They're not chocolatey, so it's not too bad. These are real fruit gummies, so that gets a little bit more fruit for them. Get those down in there. This Snackle Box is really cool. It kind of holds a little bit more than most that I have seen, so I really do like the way that it is made. Of course, fruit. So you can take and put the grapes down in whole, so on the little pods if you wish. And then, of course, you can always take them off. And then also, if you have littles, then take and make sure and cut those grapes up so that no one is choking, because we do not want that in the back seat while we're driving down the interstate. So that would not be good. So cut those up if you need to for your little guys. So we have just some Cheez-Its, everybody's favorite cracker. It is certainly ours. We love them. They have all kinds of different options there. So even like the ones that are double stuffed or double roasted or whatever. And then, of course, just everybody's favorite, just a lightly salted cashew is something very nice to put in. And again, if you have allergies, please you can pick anything. You know what your kids like and what they will eat. So you are ready to go, lid on, in the car, ready to go in less than 5 minutes. And it's an easy way. Instead of bringing all kinds of different containers, you have it all contained in one, and they can share, and it is ready to go.